Okay, we're going to install AQUARIUS Connect. First, log into the 360 portal, go to the Downloads section, and you will find the AQUARIUS Connect download link right here. Okay, that's downloaded. Just going to copy it to a temporary directory. Going to unblock the zip file. Going to unzip it right here. And inside, we're going to the documentation folder, and we're opening the user guide. System installation, performing a fresh installation. These are the detailed install instructions that you need to follow carefully to get this system installed. At this point, we've worked through the overview, before getting started sections, and step 1, and we're going to carry on with step 2. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using SQL Server, not Postgres, and so we can skip step 2 and move right on to step 3. We are going to need a SQL Server login that has sysadmin access. To see if your login has access, use SQL Server Management Studio, expand security, logins, look at your login, and make sure that in the server roles section you have sysadmin turned on. While I'm in here, I'm going to find out what port my SQL server is running on. In this query window, I'll use this special command, execute that, and I see that my SQL Server port is 1436. Back to the directory where I unzipped the installation kit. There's the AQ Connect migration utility zip file. Going to extract that one. Going to run the AQ Connect migration utility. Put in my connection details. Here I will put in a name for the database that I want AQUARIUS Connect to use. You can type in anything you want for this. And here I'm putting in the login that I already verified does have sysadmin access. I'll go through the buttons here. Okay, looks like my database has been initialized and created successfully. Okay, at this point we've completed step 3. Next we're going to run the AQ Connect installer. Okay, that takes us, now we're completed step 4, and next step is to install .NET Core. Okay, that's the end of step 5. Well, actually we need to restart the computer, so we'll be doing that now. Okay, after a reboot, we're going to open up the AQ Connect that we just installed by browsing the localhost AQ Connect. The default username and password for a newly installed system is admin, password admin. And once we're in, first thing we should do is change our default admin password. Okay, that's been done. So our next step is to install drivers. If I go to the directory where we've unpacked the installation kit, there's this directory called driver packages. If we go in there, there's a whole bunch of zip files. And what we're going to be doing is just adding these one by one into the web application here, and that's how the drivers are installed. I'll go to any one of these driver menus in the application. I'll click the Install Package button, and I'll click this link, browse, and find that driver packages folder, do the first one, and there it is. I click the green Install button, and there we have one driver. We're basically going to continue that that sequence for each of those zip files. Okay, and now if we click on these driver categories, we should see that there are several items in extraction drivers, one item in export drivers, and a few items in the inbound connection drivers menu. And at this point, we have a fully working AQUARIUS Connect system ready for configuration.